Hello, welcome to another question. Question 10, we have to simplify y minus 2 on y plus 1 divided by 1 minus 2 divided by what? Y plus 1. So this, we are going to solve this as a fraction. Let me repeat. Since it's section A, I am not going to repeat the question. I'm going straight forward to find the LCM, which is going to be y plus what? 1. Whereby 1 will go into that place and give you the value of what? Y plus what? 1. So if you multiply, it becomes y times y plus 1 minus this go into itself 1 times 2. So this is the first part. Then the LCM will still be y plus 1. 1 will go there, that number of times. That is y plus 1 minus this will go here 1 times this 2. That is the first two we are having. We can expand the top and have y times y squared times 1 minus 2 y plus 1 still divided by, this is y 1 minus 2 will give you minus 1 y plus what? 1. Now if you look at this, this is quadratic. You find factors of negative 2. When you add, you get a positive 1. Those factors will be negative 1 and 2 itself. So this becomes y negative 1. Then we have what? Y plus what? 2 for this expansion divided by y plus 1 times. This is going up as y plus 1. This is coming down as you reciprocate. And if I check carefully, I can see that y plus 1 will cancel. Then y minus 1 will also cancel. So I should be left with only y plus what? 2 as the final what? Answer. And checking for the options, I can see that the option D is exactly what we just calculate for. Take your time, ask questions if you have any reservation, share, comment, and come back for the next question.